Well, we're walking back down, heading back. Nice view from the top of the mountain hill here in Pangulasian Island, on the resorts. Want to get me from here?
Hi, holding up.
Yeah, it's already on. Hold on, ladies and gents, right there. I'm just going to see if I can do my pull-ups. I'll do the leg pull-ups there, huh? You just hold it. No, yeah. Get those abs tight. Thank you. I'll start with that there. Look at this wild trail here. Wild and raw and dirty. They're getting rawer and dirtier than this. Just enjoy this raw and dirty beam footage. If you got any comments or questions, feel free to leave the questions and comments in the comment section. How long? 2 miles or a mile up there?
Yeah, 1 mile.
1 mile up, right? Yeah. Very good exercise.
Yeah. Your endurance is different.
Huh?
Your endurance.
What do you mean?
Your energy.
My energy? What do you mean?
Your upper body and your legs. Very strong.
Yeah.
What's the secret, sir?
Huh?
Exercise?
Huh?
What's the secret?
My secret?
Yes.
Eating right, maybe genetics, but I exercise a lot.
Yeah.
I do a lot of cardio, pull-ups, sit-ups, dips.
You eat organic foods.
Yeah, a lot of organic foods. Make sure no cobra, python jumps out, or wild monkey. Listen to nature talk. Nature in its finest hour. All those beautiful sounds. A lot of mosquitoes.
Yes.
Lots of mosquitoes, baby. So again, you got any comments or questions, feel free to leave your questions and comments in the comment section.